Bring his Corgi butt over here, because we got to show off your famous Corgi butt. Evan was saying to me before that after a lot of running, his legs shake a little in the back, right?
Yep. Yes, you can.
What do you think? Can I work with you? Oh, this leg is a little tight. So I wonder if that's the leg. Got it. You could hear a click, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Good. He'll do one more. I just made a new online course called How to Massage Your Own Dog.
Pembroke Welsh Corgi with no tail.
With no tail, but it wiggles anyway.
Yep.
And this is Annie and Evan, and our friend Sylvina's watching too.
Hello.
And he's approximately five and a half.
Yep.
Five.
Yep.
And Evan was saying to me before that after a lot of running, his legs shake a little in the back,
Yep.
right? We're going to do a full checkup. Hey, Cooper, can I work with you today?
Yep. Yes, you can.
What do you think? Can I work with you? All right. I'm going to probably adjust this right atlas while I can. One more. All right.
Okay.
Let's see if he wants to shake that out. So we're
Hey,
going to
you
give him a
wanna
little
shake
space.
He does. He should.
He's fine. Okay, come on back. He's like,
That's what we're looking for.
okay, good boy.
All right, so sit again.
All right.
He came right back to me.
Yeah.
Let's do the rest of the neck. So I'm going to come down here. And here's the spot right here. So I'm at C3, and you might be able to feel it. So put your fingertip right here, right there. There's a muscle knot.
Yep.
So I'm going to see if I can adjust that a little bit. Got it. You could hear a click, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're natural.
Okay. One little click there. Sorry, baby. All right.
He's fine.
That's in now. Good.
Good boy.
Yay.
Good boy.
Coming
There
down
we
the
go.
back. Let's check the legs. Bring it up.
So he doesn't like it when we touch his paws.
So
So I don't know if that's related to his.
No,
his
it's just
legs.
he's not.
He's just a pain.
The best way to do that is either to train it, so you give little treats while you touch the paw, and little treats and touch the paw, so they like get rewarded for getting their paws touched.
Yeah.
If you have a puppy, you want to start when they're a puppy, and then little things you could start with puppies that is almost too late if you wait too long is touching paws, but you can still train it, or brushing their teeth. So it's hard to start with like a 10-year-old dog brushing its teeth and you never did it once. Not saying you can't do it, but they're going to be like, what is that? I don't know if I like that toothbrush in my mouth. But with a little puppy, you could almost get them to do anything because they're like, don't know anything yet to resist.
Right.
But you could also do, I see you like working with them. And so I have this course that I made called How to Massage Your Dog. And it's a 3.5-hour course that you could do at home and really learn how to do body work on your dog. Have kind of a little set thing where you're, like right now I'm massaging his back while we talk.
Loves it.
I'm coming up. And he loves it.
Yeah.
And, you know, it's really special sometimes to be able to tell when something is going on with your dog. So you come down and they start wincing, you could tell something's off. And Evan was, and I'm sure you both noticed that his back legs would shake, and if he didn't do that before, that's a change in pattern.
Yeah.
He never had that display before. So I'm up here in the withers, T3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as we get lower, look, he's just let me work on him. So this is out, so I'm going to pull up on his belly. And one more. Got it. So a little click there. Did you feel that when I little clicked right in there? Was that okay with you? Let's check your neck rotation. So extension. So the neck should come when they're young, should come all the way up like that, and it come all the way down. So that's really nice. You did good. And we can rub around the ears. Yeah, like that, when you rub my ears. And we're gonna keep coming down the back. Now I'm in the thoracolumbar junction. Dogs have 7 bones in their neck, 13 bones in their thoracic, and 7 bones in their lower back. Humans have 7, 12, 5. Cats have 7, 13, 7. Pigs have 15 in the middle. Most horses have 18 in the middle. Horses have 6 lumbars. Almost every breed of mammal has 7 bones in the neck, except a manatee and a sloth. But it varies in the thoracics and it varies in the lumbar. But I'm right now at the base of the thoracics where the lumbars are beginning. And I'm going to do another one in here. So I'm going to hold them up. There it is. Sorry, guys. And a little shocking. Okay. Sorry,
It's
baby.
okay. Hey, it's
I'm
okay.
going to do a little percussive.
It's okay. Good job.
Got it. You can see it's. Now let's check his range of motion of his back hip.
Okay. Stay.
And you know, who doesn't want to touch a Corgi's
But.
butt? Corgis are known for their butts. But Corgis are also a longer body dog like a Basset Hound or a Dachshund, and they will have a higher, and a lot has to do with gravity, but they have a higher incident of low back problems, hip dysplasia could be an issue with a Corgi. And even though they're not a huge dog, they still can have wear and tear in their hips and possible congenital dysplasia. And they just have a higher incident of that, let's say, than an Italian Greyhound that barely puts weight on their body as they move through space, right? And I'm down here in the lumbars. Here now I'm at the sacral base and finding the tuber sacralis in between on the sacral base. I'm palpating, I'm working, and right here's another one. There you go.
Good job.
And let's check that leg again. Oh, this leg is a little tight. So I wonder if that's the leg. Let's do this. Famous Corgi butt. And then here's the other leg. Sorry about that. Okay. A little tight on both sides, so I don't know why you're doing that. And that's inside of the hip flexors. And it's tight there, so I'm going to work that for a second, okay, baby? And I'm rubbing in there. Nice.
Good job.
Let's do a little bit of an AS ilium on this side.
It's okay. Shake it out. It's okay.
Let him shake, don't touch him. Good, he'll do one more. There's one more. Good. You're gonna come back and do a little more work. Come here. Let's do a little more, okay? Cooper. All right, you're a good person. You're a good guy. Okay, you're a
You're
good
okay.
guy.
Good boy.
You're a good
boy.
guy. So you can bring him back yourself.
Come here. Come here.
Nice.
Come here.
All right. We just want to get that other leg now, okay? Oh, look at you coming back to me. You want me to finish?
Good boy.
Now this one is a little different on the right. So we're going to do, the left side was the AS ilium, and that means your ilium, your left side of your pelvis, went ventral or anterior, and it rotated up a little superior at the same time. So AS ilium, don't forget. And then the right side just has a sacral base posterior on the right. So I just want to push that sacrum down. He's like, no, you don't.
Oh, come here. It's okay. Look, come sniff it. Come.
All right, we have a new cast and crew.
Stay.
We only have one thing left, okay?
Okay.
So, you see?
Bring his Corgi butt over here.
Stay.
Good. This is what it feels like. It's the same machine I used on you. I'm gonna come in here. That should be nasty.
Yep.
One last one. I'm gonna come in with my thumb. And switch to my right hand. Sorry, baby. Hey, he's fine. You let him run out.
Good. Shake it out.
Cooper.
Yeah. There you go. You want to see him shake, so follow him.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay? What are you thinking about? You sure are cute. Your beautiful coat.
Okay.
Really good looking dog.
He's getting hair all over his place. Huh?
All right. Are we friends again? Come up here.
Yeah.
All right.
Come here. Come here.
Come on.
Go say hi. All
Yeah.
right.
Thank you. We're done. Okay, we're all done. I think that's it for you. Will you let me know how he does?
Yeah, well.
All right. All right. Thanks, everybody. Leave Cooper a comment for his brave adventure today. And thank you, guys.
Thank you, Doc. I
All right,
appreciate
thank
it.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
And thank you, young man. Oh, this leg is a little tight. Here. Good. He'll do one more.